everybody, it's Chris with Why Not RV. This is our very first video, so I'm really looking forward to seeing how things grow. I'm sure as we grow with our channel and the videos come out weekly, I'm going to be changing, figuring out how I'm doing things. This is my very first time being on camera, so I would love to hear your feedback all the time. I want to improve myself. I want to try and make this channel for you guys, just to help you learn. We're going to talk about everything with RV lifestyle, the electricity, DIY projects, gas, all the appliances. I got a lot of feedback from everyone online of what types of videos we want to see, and I'm going to work hard on trying to get all those videos out to you. My goal right now is to do weekly videos, and up until we leave for our trip. And these weekly videos I plan on doing up until then in April is going to be all the stuff that I can do while I'm parked stationary here at my house. All the different projects. We'll talk about some different products I have on here, different hacks, and we'll kind of just see where things go. Once we're on the road in April, we're going to be on the road for 4 months, and I want to talk to you guys about all the places that we're going to be at. We're doing a lot of harvest host, a lot of boondocking. We'll be in Walmart parking lots. We'll be stopping at rest stops. Whatever it is we got to do, we're going to figure it out and get to our destination. Our RV is a 2013 Heartland Big Country 3650 RL. It's 38.5 feet long. I've done several things to it. I'm the second owner. Very first owners took really good care of it. So we got it in great shape. Very minimal issues with it. So everything I've done to it from the time I've gotten it has mainly just been improvements, trying to make things better. We've done a couple road trips, gone all the way to Michigan and back, here from Florida to Michigan. That was about a month trip. Things broke on the way up there. We figured it out, and we fixed them and made things stronger so they don't hopefully break a second time. But that's not always the case. As a lot of you know, things just break. Every single time we move these things down the road, we're going through a massive earthquake. Everything's shaking around, moving around, and things just break. I drive a 2013 Chevy Silverado Duramax, a 2500 diesel. It's a 3/4 ton pickup truck, and it pulls this thing like a feather back there. I just absolutely love that truck. I love this RV. We love everything about it. Our very first trip out, my very first time pulling an RV, we were only going about an hour away from here north to Weeki Wachee, and we had a tire blowout. Very first time pulling an RV, tire blew out. So if that doesn't get your heart pumping, I don't know what will. But we handled it very well, pulled over, got everything changed out, put the spare tire on there, finished our journey, and got the tire changed the next day. Now, I just recently put all brand new tires, 14 ply, went with the big boys, as big as I could go, so that when we're on our trip here in the summer, we're not worrying about tires and blowouts. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys on the computer what we're doing here in April. We're leaving for 3.5, 4 months, just depends on what we want to do as we're out there. I have things very scheduled out up until our very last stop up in Michigan. And then from there we can either take our time or we can rush home. So, kind of varies there.
April, we're leaving here from Clearwater, heading out west, hitting every state along the way, stopping in Phoenix for about a week, stopping up in Washington for about a week, and then in the Grand Tetons for about a week. Other than that, we're just pushing through, real short drives each time. And then the last big thing is in Michigan, right down here. We'll be staying here for 2 weeks. This is where my grandpa lives. And after that, we'll be making our way back home. And that should be putting us at about 3.5 to 4 months. It just kind of depends. So that's it.
The one last question that I'm sure some of you might have is, why is the channel called Why Not RV? Well, I just said it. Everyone asks why. Why do you like RVing, or why are you leaving a stable job, where I was making very good money doing AC work, to have this lifestyle? And my only response is, why not? I mean, there's nothing better than being on the road, seeing everything that America has to offer. There's so many different climates out there and just views that are just limitless across North America. And I'm hoping that this trip that we're taking here this summer is going to show us a lot, but we're going to be kind of fast paced. It's going to be very quick, 1 day, 2 days, 1 day, 3 days. A lot of time driving just in between, but very short distances each time. But again, the question is, why? Why do you do it? Why do you go on the road for so long? A lot of people that are out there RVing, they might have that exact same question asked them. And again, my response is, why not?